Let's talk about this large rolling magnetic whiteboard. It's 48 inches by 36. This large portable dry erase board is mounted on a stand that has 4 wheels. The easel does come unassembled and you do need to put it together yourself. The instructions are pretty clear to understand, so it took us about 30 minutes to an hour to put this together. We installed this at work for our training conference room. There must be some sort of special coating on the dry erase board because we noticed that it erases really easy and there's no ghosting or smearing like the traditional dry erase boards. One great feature about this erase board is that it's double-sided and there's a little lever that you can push that would flip the board over. So if you're in one of those training courses that have a lot of notes, you can write on both sides of this easel. One feature that we like about this dry erase board is that on the wheels there's a locking tab so that it won't roll. They also gave us a free timer and a set of dry erase pens. At the bottom of the dry erase board, there's a full-length marker tray for you to store your markers and your eraser. The dry erase board isn't too heavy, and with the wheels, you can easily move this from one room to another. The frame on this dry erase board is made of high-quality metal and it won't rust. So if you're looking for something for personal or work related, this is an excellent dry erase board for your purpose.